Hi, this is Julie, and it is special recording. I am going to show a performance report for my core strategy with some filters, different performance reports. This is for educational purposes to show you that you can rely on templates and the overall concepts behind templates. This is not to demonstrate or to represent that these performance reports will be repeatable um, for a specific purchase, just that you can rely on the underlying concepts for your trading. I have that 60-15 mom that I like to look at. Let me pull it up for you. That tells me when a market is moving in the direction of the underlying trend. The underlying trend in crude is currently down. We had 2 months, 8 weeks of sideways chop, and we're finally pulling off. You get to learn the fundamentals that drive the markets. And the big one for oil right now is this historic nuclear deal that is about to get signed with Iran, and that would allow Iran to lift sanctions, meaning that they're going to be able to sell their oil on the world market again, and they have tons of it ready to go. They don't have to refine it. They have tons of oil that will be dumped on the market, and that will really push crude down if that happens. The experts say, Goldman Sachs is saying $45 crude. So we can expect some lower crude prices in the future. If that happens, you want a strategy that will get you in the market short. And I wanted to show you on my strategy analyzer that if you use a core strategy, just a 60-15 5-minute momentum with an exit of your super trend exit on a 5-minute chart for one contract with a 12-tick stop, you can get $2,400 last week on this, a 50% strategy, 56% for the short trades, and a 350 profit factor, and overall long trades. So what you can do with this is you can do several things. You can put on a short only trade setup since you're short for the week and only trade short trades. That will increase your profit factor at the same time increasing your percent profitability. So you can relax and know that you're on the right track by just taking short trades. This is on a 5-minute chart, and you're just giving yourself a 12-tick stop loss, and you're letting the profits run until you get stopped out either by 12 ticks or the super trend. So if you want to look at another filter, you can look at just only taking short trades. I've got this set up for the KXD cross short. So if you only wanted to take KXD crosses short, again, a very nice profit factor and a very nice percent profitability. And it holds up on a 5-minute chart. So it just shows you that the underlying core concept for the strategy is sound. This is on a 5-minute chart. There are lots of other bar types that you can use, and I've already run them, and they're all showing me the same thing. Let me show you what would happen if you just ran a bar direction short. Just a flat bar direction short. You get a very good result. Again, about the same profit factor and net profit of 45%. So adding momentum to your indicators looks like it's the best method to trade because you get your profit factor higher and your percent profitability higher. On one contract, that's it. So when you're trading with 5 contracts, you're talking about a $10,687 a week. And if you're allowed to trade 10 contracts on your risk, you're bumping that up to $20,000 a week with a 64% profitability and a 4% profit factor. So when you get your concepts right, you can trust the strategy and enter the trades. So it's all about what's happening on the weekly and daily for your markets. You want to make sure you're following the market. You want to make sure that the news is not going to be something that's going to adversely impact the direction. For instance, if the Iran deal gets killed and there's no deal, then crude will likely rally because there's nothing holding it down. The price is being depressed because the market is anticipating all this product being dumped in the market. So always follow the news when you're trading a commodity. And that's why I have on my website, I have the place where you can come to get the news events for your products right here on my website. You can come over here, you can check the next week to see if there's anything that's going to impact your product. I always look for the 3 bulls because if I want to trade a product, I can know what is going to happen that day that may impact that product. I've got quotes, what's currently the products are trading at. I've got your technical summaries right here. And crude settled on its mean Friday, so it would be neutral on a 1 minute, but don't do a 1 minute. We want to look at the daily, and it's a sell. And I'm telling you, that's correct. I'm seeing it too on the weekly. It's a strong sell, absolutely. So we want to keep our eyes and make sure that we're trading the same directions. This is a direction guide. And I just wanted to show you my performance report matches what I'm seeing on my chart. So $20,000 in a week, I'll take it on 10 contracts. And I know that a lot of people are probably looking at this and saying 64% profitability and a 4% profit factor. We need to look at this too. All right. Y'all have a good week.